Hi, I'm Marcus. I'm a fourth year PhD student here in the School of Aquatic and Fishery Sciences, and I was a mentor for the IBIS program this past year.
Hi, my name's Sarah. I'm going to be a senior in the undergrad UW Marine Biology program, and I was Marcus's mentee.
I think I just got an email from my advisor, Mark Sherrell, and said, would you be interested in this program? It seemed like a really cool opportunity to get involved with mentoring for the first time. And I said, yeah, that sounds like a thing I'd totally be interested in doing, and I'm totally glad I did.
The undergrad advisor, Joe Kobayashi, reached out to me via email and let me know that this program was going on. And because I hadn't been involved in any of the SAFS labs yet, he thought it would be a great opportunity to get involved and also to get that mentor-mentee relationship, which I hadn't had previously with the school. I came in and Marcus was super willing to, work with what my goals were and then see if we can combine those goals. And something that we're both really interested in is understanding how climate change is influencing our ecosystems and kind of just understanding ecosystem science a bit better. And one of the ways we can do that is through models, like building models, and that is something that I'm very interested in.
I was talking to Jose about, what sorts of projects would be available in our lab, and I said, I think, my background and my dissertation is really focused on modeling ecosystems and doing a lot of statistical analyses and coding. And I said, I don't know if everyone wants to do this as an undergrad, but that's sort of what our lab does, and would love to have an undergrad who is excited to do that. And so Sarah was a perfect fit for that because we have so many similar interests. And yeah, it was really cool because, coming into this, I think we had some sort of broad, boundaries on what the project was. But, it was really Sarah who drove sort of the design and structure of that final model we built. And yeah, it was just a really cool experience to collaboratively come up with that analysis and be able to look at some of those results.
We were focusing on the California current, given its plethora of organisms and data. And so from there we kind of built a miniature food web model structure, to kind of see what data we had and kind of the trophic interactions that we could look at for building our model.